Hey, I wanted to ask you about
Sure.
about the
What would you
what
like?
no about the weather this weekend, um, because I'm oh
No problem.
I'm planning a trip to
That sounds
to
exciting.
so that's what happens when your agent relies only on voice activity detection. It hears a pause and it thinks that you're done, but humans pause mid sentence all the time. We think, we breathe, we change direction. A good conversational agent needs to understand when someone is actually finished speaking. And so turn detection decides when the agent should speak and when it should stay quiet. And without it, you would get interruptions. And the agent starts answering at every single pause, even if the human is still mid sentence. And so in this lesson, you'll add a semantic turn detector that dramatically improves conversational quality. Now, voice activity detection spots human patterned audio, but humans pause, restart sentences, and trail off all the time. And so VAD sees a pause and it thinks that you're done talking. But semantic detection looks at all of the meaning of the sentence and it asks, does this feel like a complete thought? Now, the most important job of a turn detector is to reduce unwanted interruptions. It also improves accuracy for the STT engine since it gets complete utterances instead of fragments. And the latency impact is minimal, only around 20 milliseconds. So the first thing that we'll need to do is add the turn detector extra to our environment. So in Python, an extra is an optional set of dependencies that a package can include. So we're going to UV add LiveKit agents turn detector. So this pulls in a multilingual model that you'll reference in the code. All right, so we'll go ahead and import this multilingual model from our turn detector plugin. We'll go down to our agent session here, and then we'll add into our agent session this turn detection and pass it the multilingual model. Now save that, and that's all that you have to do. The session now emits turn events when the semantic model decides a speaker is finished. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, let's open up our terminal. We'll run uv run agent.py and console to run it in the console. And let's see if it's any better. Yeah, hey, how's it going?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Yeah,
How about
can you
you?
tell me about a time when you struggled to come up with something to say?
Sure. Even though I'm designed to generate responses quickly, there are times when a question is very vague or complex, and it can be
Yeah, tell me
challenging to
about
provide
something else. Let's try to interrupt them and just tell me something else.
Got it. Switching gears. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood? Two of their hearts.
Tell me something about um, dolphins.
Absolutely. Dolphins are
All right,
incredibly
much
intelligent
much
marine.
better, much better. Let's stop it. So this single change dramatically improves conversational quality. The agent feels more patient and natural, and this prepares you for more advanced latency optimization in later lessons. So let's talk about some best practices. Now, a few things that you can keep in mind when using turn detection is make sure that you combine it with VAD and noise control for best results. Different languages have different pause patterns as well, and semantic models help to normalize this. It also coordinates with preemptive generation, which we're going to talk about in a future lesson, and this allows the LLM to start planning while it's still waiting for a clear end of turn. Now, here are a few scenarios worth testing. First, try rapid fire short sentences and compare that to a single long sentence with natural pauses. See how the agent handles each of these. Second, add some background noise. Turn on a TV or have someone talking nearby. Does the agent stay focused on your voice? And third, if you speak multiple languages, try switching languages mid-turn. The multilingual model should handle this gracefully. Add these to your testing backlog. The more scenarios you try, the more confident you'll be in how your agent behaves. So with semantic turn detection in place, your agent no longer jumps in at every pause. It waits for complete thoughts before responding. In the next lesson, you'll give an agent a distinctive personality, change its voice, and add fallback providers so that it survives outages.